We have many human clinical studies showing that MIME really changes the numbers of immune cells and the functions of those immune cells. The dosage is from 1 gram to 3 grams per day, which corresponds to 2 soft gels to 6 soft gels per day. By taking MIME, the numbers of different types of immune cells are really modulated and improved. We have one human clinical study, which was done by double-blind placebo-controlled. The numbers of dendritic cell was significantly improved. There's another human clinical study looking at the different subtypes of T cells, and after 30 days and 60 days, the numbers of those T cells were significantly improved. And as a more tangible clinical outcome, we have great data that MIME can protect us from different kinds of infectious diseases, like bacterial infection and virus infections. There's one good human clinical study showing that MIME can help the effect of influenza vaccine. There were 2 groups in the study. One group was taking only influenza vaccine, flu shot. And the other group was taking flu shot and MIME together. We measured the antibody titer of this specific influenza vaccine, and in MIME group, the antibody titer was significantly higher than the control group. As MIME is working on our natural defense mechanism, immunity, so the applications are not selective. Our bodies are protected against really different types of infectious disease, bacteria, virus, or toxins, or even for abnormal cells. We have many different types of infectious disease study, including MRSA, bacterial infection, West Nile virus, or hepatitis B and C, and more recently on human papillomavirus, HPV.